learn about festivals. When I say the word festival, all of us feel so happy for it, yes or no? Festivals bring all the people together. The people may be from various regions and religions, our relatives, friends, brothers, sisters, etc. The festivals bring every one of us together and we feel so happy during the festival. In this, today we are going to learn about national festival. What are national festivals? Those festivals which is celebrated throughout the country, that only we call it as national festival. National festivals are celebrated to honor important events in our country's history. Even in the calendar, some days are marked as special or memorable days. These days may be national or even international days. Let us see about them in detail now. Some of the examples of national days are Independence Day, Republic Day, Gandhi Jayanti, Teachers Day, Children's Day, etc. Independence Day. For almost 200 years, India was ruled by British. Many men and women fought for the independence of our country. And finally, on 15th August 1947, we got our independence. On this day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag and gives a speech from the Red Fort. We also pay our respects to those who laid down their lives for the country. People enjoy this day by flying kites. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. We got our republic on 26th January 1950. Republic means that there will be no kings and queens to rule the country. People will elect their leaders. These leaders will run the country on behalf of the people. In the national capital, New Delhi, a grand parade is held on Republic Day. The President takes the salute. The armed forces, police, folk dancers and school children take part in the parade. Gandhi Jayanti. We celebrate Mahatma Gandhi's birthday as Gandhi Jayanti. It is on 2nd October every year. On this day, in 1869, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was later known as the father of the nation, was born in Portbandar, Gujarat. He was affectionately called as Bapu. The freedom movement led by him helped India win the independence. We celebrate Dr. S. Radhakrishnan's birthday as Teachers' Day. It is celebrated on 5th September. Dr. S. Radhakrishnan was the second President of India. He was a great scholar, teacher and philosopher. Children's Day. We celebrate Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday as Children's Day. It is celebrated every year on 14th November. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of India. He was very fond of children. Lovingly, the children used to call him Chacha Nehru. He stressed on the fact that children are the future of a country. In schools, various activities and competitions are held on this day.